on Saturday. It's a Saturday, 19th of September. And I can't believe this, but I woke up at 4 o'clock for this drive. Okay, so this drive is an invitation from one of the guys from the SLK group. His name is Sylvan. Sorry, it's very early for me. I'm already looking forward to coming back to sleep later. So yeah, we're excited for the drive as well. We're going somewhere different today. I put everything here just so early, so yeah, a bit late. So I think we should go. Yeah, so 2 cars are going today. My NC is going and Lenny's NA is going. So yeah, we're gonna be like, haha, hi guys, we are genius. So excited to meet all other Drop the Top owners. And yeah, sayang, we gotta go. So just a little follow-up from my previous video. I know a lot of people have been asking me about my additive experience, whether I get better mileage, like what do I feel after adding the additives. Now for me, when I really cannot talk in the morning or anytime at all. If you notice, I'm speech impaired a bit. Wow, it's very dark, guys. So additives wise, okay, so sometimes when I add this kind of things to my car, like even different engine oils, I don't know whether it's a placebo. I don't know whether it's a placebo effect kind of thing or not, where you try and find something different with your car. So factually, I don't really see any better fuel economy. But then again, this is the first tank I've pumped after adding the additive. But based on a lot of your comments, and I really appreciate all y'all explaining to me and sharing your experience with me. I've read one of y'all saying that you actually get better fuel economy by like 100 km range. That's one. But I do also feel that my throttle response is better. My throttle response is actually more responsive, more sensitive. And a lot of you have been saying very, very good things about Caltex's additive. Hearing from you guys who are majority of the users of the additives. So yeah, even let's say, even you don't feel anything lah, let's just say lah, worst come to worst situation, I still think y'all should get it. I still think we should do this and add additives to our cars, because it's supposed to act as a detox pill sort of thing. You know how every now and then for your own body you have to just detox one lah. It's like, okay, today I'm just gonna eat like fruits or salad, because sometimes you just feel like, wow, I've been eating so much junk for so long, you know. So yeah, okay, back to my sleepy mood. Wow. Okay, so we're going to Sungai Buloh R&R. We're going to Kuala Kubu Baru Dam, and we're meeting there for a photo shoot. Then after that, I forgot the whole itinerary already. It is very, very early. Okay, see you in a bit, guys. Always underestimate waking up early for this. Woo! Very few cars on the road, and it's just amazing for Drop the Top. Woo! Okay guys, we're at we are at Sungai Buloh R&R, and I don't know if you all can see, but there are so many. Wow, I've never seen so many Drop the Tops at once before. I'm actually going quite crazy. I haven't social with anyone yet. I'm a bit shy. Wow, and like all the colors, like this Z4, the first gen. Oh, this is the one I super love. Oh my god, y'all cannot see, but yeah, I love the curves. And as SLKs, there's like all the generations. How many generations? Yeah, this is Z4, yellow color, stripe in the middle, and we have 78 Boxster, also yellow color. Woo! Z4 first gen as well, super beautiful. I love the back, and the front also bodo. I love it. Oh my god, there's so many. And then also got, wow, I'm actually going crazy. I'm actually going quite crazy. Wow, then there are more coming out also. Oh, so many Drop the Tops. Wow, I don't think I will ever see so many Drop the Tops anymore. Oh, all of them are from like, all of them are like Conti cars, right? So Lenny and I are like, hey, sorry, we are from Japan. We transit here for a while.
There's only a very small group of us from Z4, so we're gonna have 2 lead cars from our side. Can I have the SLK lead cars, please?
Okay guys, it's 5:38, not bad lah. Supposed to roll out 5:30, quite on time. and we're gonna catch sunrise. A lot of mosquito bites here. So we stopped halfway, not halfway, we're like 10 minutes away around KKB already, because his idling is very high. It's like that when you drive old cars. So he's trying to troubleshoot, and we see all the other gangs just passing by. I don't know how many groups, I think about 5 groups. I think the turnout is quite good today. They have about 40 cars, at least 40 cars. Quite crazy, quite nice. So yeah, troubleshooting now. I'm here giving moral support. So yeah. See the idle set at 3000 RPM. If you guys know anything, please let us know. I don't know what he's doing. I really just keep going. And moral support. Alright guys, we are here at KKB Dam, and yeah, we're supposed to catch sunrise. Not sure if it's going to be the scene that they're looking for. I actually don't know what they're looking for, but it's quite nice lah. I would highly recommend y'all come here, but the drive, I don't think it's worth it. You drive like 70% highway, a lot of straights, not many windy roads. If it's windy, then it's very dark, so yeah. But worth it? Up to you. You decide. Guys, this is why having a 4x4 is worth it. See, so scary. You come down, all the cars so low. With a 4x4 kind of clearance, no problem. Walao, interrupt my video. Yeah, 4x4 type of clearance. Sorry. Okay lah, quite worth. And you see people admiring our car, quite worth. Okay, let's do a walkthrough of all the cars that are here. And yeah, just do outside, interior. Of course, you have the NA, classic, lovable NA, and you got the NC. This is the best car in the world. And then you have the Z4. This is the first gen. So first gen, of course, you have beautiful tail. I prefer this one over that one, but I think the front that one nicer lah. But I like the Bodo one. So I think this one will fit people who are taller. So if you cannot get into the NC, then why not try the Z4? I don't know why your top is not dropped. This is quite disappointing. Wow, you are out there. Okay, so this is the second gen one. As you can tell, first gen, I a bit Bodo one. Second gen, a bit more sleek. Maybe a bit bigger. Then you have all the other SLKs, and ooh, this one has like a light interior. Suit light interior. Okay lah, not bad lah. I still don't know what to put with my brown. And then you have, oh, this one is with the cup holders in the middle one. Like if you touch that, then cup holders open. Not bad. Oh, that one, all the top up, maybe something wrong with dropping the top. I am joking. Please know how to take a joke. You can make fun of mine also. Ooh, I think there's a lot of generation. Ooh, this one is brown. Ooh, nice. So you see, I think this one is like the newer generation as compared to the previous one. This one, the cup, the inside is a bit newer one. Let's see. Wow, so many. Yeah, so SLK, same as the GLA. A lot of first gen Z4. So nice to see so many Z4s. Wow, wow, wow. Where are y'all? I don't see on the road. Maybe all come from other places also. Wow. Okay, interior cap, quite nice, quite nice. See, if it's lighter, it tends to be dark. So as long as it's all dark one shot, then it doesn't look like it's out of place. As long as dark one shot. Wow, this reddish orange type of color. Is this a bit of body kit I see here? Maybe just a bit above the fender here. Yeah. This is also the newer one, similar to the one that we just saw. This one is also, I think same gen lah, these two, huh? Yeah, same gen. Yeah. Wow, gila, I've never seen this before. This is pretty cool. Quick. Wow, they go all out. I love colorful cars. Love, love, love. Okay, all this drop the top. Mustang, it's not a drop the top. Ooh, this is one of the older gen of the Audi TTs. Wow. So you have the option to be a 4-seater or 2-seater. Very nice. This so garang. I love the Mustang. Ooh, this green is nice. Wow, green with yellow type of interior. Just gonna go here. Wow, this is out there. Very interesting, very bold of the owner to do this. Very, very bold. Then we have the i8. And yeah, Mustangs, more SLKs. Ooh, this one is ooh. Oh, Voxster. This one's yellow also. I forgot what these are called. But yeah, this is yellow as ooh. I always like this kind of trim. You kind of have the body color from the inside out, but it's not too much, so you have accents of yellow inside as well. And yeah, you can see a lot of yellow cars around. Ooh, red and tan brownish interior. Interesting combo, huh? Wow. Then you suddenly have a Renault Twizy coming. So cute! Oh my god! Maybe it charge, they come, so cute! Oh my gosh! Yeah, it's quite funny. So yeah, the drive, so cute! Oh my god, uncle! Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. So yes, we left, and it's only 7:30. Wow! So much you can do when you wake up 4. Okay. But yeah, overall the drive was okay lah. The thing is, when you come so early, everything is dark, you cannot see anything, so you want to attack corners also, you can't really attack corners because it's dark, so safety first. But the weather was amazing, so just chill drive up lor. Very nice. And the thing is, the windy roads only about 10 minutes max. Because the thing is, you go through the KKB town, so that one also you have to drive slow. So yeah, worth it or not, maybe once in a while lah, huh? Not so often lah, huh? So yeah. about taking it all in, you know. I think actually driving is a very good introvert. I think it's a very good introvert extrovert combination of activity. Because you know, you go to places together in a car. Oh sorry, you go to places together in different cars, so you have your own me time. But then when you meet at a place, then you socialize, and when you're done, they're like, okay, they go into your car. So it's a very good mixture of you having your me time. You know, when you need to like, wow, I needed to fart just now, I couldn't fart because everyone is there. Then you go to the car, then you fart, and you're like, wow, so nice. You know. And yeah, sometimes you just want to talk to people. Then after your drive, you get out at a cafe, you sit down, you talk to people. I think it's amazing, so nice. Yeah, that's why driving's just good lah. When you have a job at the top, right, you can just sing at the top of your lungs and no one can hear. No one can hear your terrible singing, my terrible singing. And yeah. Have a good weekend, guys. By the way, thank you, Sylvan, for the invitation of joining the SLK and Z4 Drive. Yeah. Thanks. Okay, bye.